Okay, I'm going to teach you how to train your dog to recall, to come when you call them by using a whistle. Now, focus on the puppies that are playing. The older dog, she knows I'm training the puppies. Okay. This is very important that when they're playing and being highly distracted, that you can break that distraction and get them to come to you. Come on, girls! Come on, girls! Come on! Good girls! Come on! Good girls! Come on! Come on! Very good! Butter? Butter? Oh, even Jilly came. Okay, girls, sit. Very good girls. Good girls. Make sure you praise your babies lavishly and know that they've done a job well done.